Hey friends, welcome to my very first cleaning organization video. So I like to start off by getting all my cleaning supplies ready, such as a broom, a mop, all-purpose cleaner, paper towels, some plastic bags for trash, and a microfiber cloth. So entering inside my room isn't really dirty per se. It's more organization that I have to do. This is the top of my dresser is a little messy, but my drawers, oh my gosh, they give me extreme anxiety every time I open them. My first drawer here, a lot of this stuff is mainly like makeup, like palettes and stuff, eyelashes, and so forth. So I'm gonna basically just literally take everything out of the drawers so that way I start off with a clean state and I can see everything that I have or anything that I need to throw away. So before I start putting everything back inside, I'm just gonna grab like a paper towel with some soap to kind of just clean the inside of the drawers. So on this second drawer, I have a lot of like bigger items. It's mostly like body lotions, tanning oil, sunblock, stuff like that. Just a lot of body lotions that I have collected because people love to give me body lotions as gifts, which I definitely don't mind. But again, I'm just going to take everything out of the drawers so that way I can clean the drawer and just have a clean start once I start organizing. So these pink containers, they're like small little rectangle trays that I got at the Michaels craft store. And then these clear storage containers I got at the Dollar, which I wasn't sure if I was going to use the lids or not, but alright, so now I'm just going through everything, separating everything and sorting out. The goal here is pretty much just to make sure that there's nothing just being thrown in the drawers, and using the containers as much as possible so that way everything is nice and neat. So for the bigger container, I decided to put in my bigger lotion items, which really came in handy. So my top drawer, I have pretty much this little clear bag where I have all these like hair clips. I have all my bigger makeup palettes. This container in the back is a lot of like face jewels that sometimes I do when I do makeup looks, cotton balls, a little makeup brush cleaner, and all these smaller items, and other small palettes that I use, and like where I keep my lashes. Now my second drawer, I this is all the bigger lotion bottles. I have all my nail polishes, which actually fit everything in one little container here. You know, some personal hygiene stuff, little creams, my contact stuff. And then I had these bigger items that I really don't use on a daily basis that I just decided to throw in this bigger container. I'll probably just either put it under my bed or under the dresser. Now this is what the top of my dresser looks. I realized that I do have a lot of products that I use on the daily, you know, not all at once, obviously, but these products I do use a lot of the times, almost every day. So here I just want to kind of like clean off the top of my dresser. And again, I'm just removing everything off the dresser. All right, so the first thing is to clean the mirror. The mirror really gets dirty. I'm not really sure why, but I guess like from the sprays and stuff that I use, the mirror gets dirty or the makeup gets on it, whatever the case is. So I'm going to clean that off first. And now I'm just gonna wipe down the top of the dresser, which gets dirty a lot too because I tend to spill stuff or there's makeup stains. So I'm just cleaning that off really quick. So this is a little mirrored jewelry box that I got from Home Goods a while ago. But I realized that I have a lot of like jewelry that is really just nasty and dirty. So like for example that, I'm probably just gonna throw that away and I'm just gonna go ahead and organize all my necklaces and seeing what I keep and what I pretty much don't wear anymore. There's another necklace that just I don't even wear and it's really just all rusted. A lot of my jewelry is fake, so yeah, when I don't use a lot of the jewelry, it gets really old and rusty, so I just throw those away. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the top of my dresser. It may look the same, but trust me, it is a lot cleaner. Now, here's my closet. I have a very small closet, so it's very limited, and I want to get rid of these bigger jackets that I have here along with my winter and fall shoes. So bye bye coats. Alright, so now I have a bin of summer clothes that I had stored away during the winter. I'm pretty much just gonna sort these out. I have like skirts, some shorts, and like blouses that I'm also gonna be using for the warmer weather. I'm also deciding whether or not I'm going to keep this summer clothes, like these pants. I'm probably going to donate them because I don't wear them. These pants too. I also made like a donation pile that I'm just gonna, give away to the homeless and stuff like that. So all right, now that I pretty much kind of like semi-folded stuff, I'm gonna take out all these like casual shirts here that I have on this tall dresser and replace it with summer clothes. Now, tackling my shoes, I'm gonna get rid of all these boots and a lot of my closed shoes and bring out a lot of my sandals that I'm gonna be using instead. I like to keep my boxes just because that way when I store them away, it doesn't get damaged or anything. All right, so now that everything's off the bed, I'm gonna go ahead and change my sheets so that way I can also wash them. I don't really have nice bedding covers and sheets. I still need to go out and buy some, but I just did with what I had at the moment. So I'm pretty much done here. This is my dog's bed, which I also threw in the washer for her. Now, last thing to do really is just to sweep and mop. I try to do this, at least like 3 to 4 times weekly because my dog does shed a lot. So right before I mopped, I make sure that I clean my other bigger mirrors here, which also get dirty. And I love to take my full body selfies here. Alright guys, and that's pretty much it. The top of the dresser is cleaned. My drawers are nice and organized, just how I wanted it to be. I changed out all my clothing from my tall dresser, and this is my closet. Brought out all these lighter jackets because it does still rain or get chilly at night, and brought out my summer shoes. And that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I am exhausted after this. Bye!